Oh hey, what's up? Welcome to another day in the garage. Grab the jack. We're gonna put a rear sway bar in Adam's Miata. It's conveniently situated on a lovely gravel driveway, which is a prime jacking point for any vehicle.
All right.
So up it goes.
We gotta get the wheels off. Jack it up.
What sway bar is this?
GodSpeed.
GodSpeed's rear sway. GodSpeed rear sway for the tow gang.
Giant Q-tip.
The cute, yeah.
Yo, clean out your ears. Clean out your ears. Thumbnail.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh god. Alright. Let's jack it up.
Yeah, right at the the exhaust tip. Jack it up.
Jack it up. Right there.
Alright, let's loosen these bad boys off.
Yeah, you gotta keep the battery in the impact.
Yeah. Don't actually jack it up by the bumper.
Look at it, Jack.
Yeah, that's where I went off course and I flattened my exhaust tip. Oh, you're talking about the sticker?
Yeah.
They sing it.
They sing it. Alright, this is slipping off a lot. I like that.
I like that.
I also like that. Alright, now to stop your diff cracking, what do you do, Adam, again?
Shut up.
You put a thin, here's what you do, you put a thin strip of cardboard between your diff and the jack, and apparently this will stop your diff cracking.
I don't want to damage it.
You heard it here first, folks. Oh, fold it over twice. Okay, 2 thin strips of cardboard will protect the diff.
It. I'll go with the damaged diff. Gotta really make sure you protect your bumper, because you don't want to damage your paint.
Make sure you put a jack stand so as to not take the full weight of the car onto your chest.
Your face can only hold so much. Alright, get the other one off. Alright, so to change a sway bar in a Miata, the front is pretty much the same as well. You have these end links here. So that's your shock. You're gonna change that. You're gonna unbolt that. If you get under the car, there's a carrier bracket right up here. 2 bolts. Take that off. It's identical for the other side. Then that way the whole thing comes off and they can bolt the new one on. Oh, I need some WD. Oh yeah. Can you go spray the other side? And then can you spray the bolts that are on the brackets too?
The lower ones?
Both of them.
I'll just spray it all.
Yeah, right. No, those. I meant like these. There's a bolt above it too. I guess the bolt down here would be much easier. Yeah. No, because I'm changing the sway bar, so that's come off anyway.
Yeah, you have to take it off.
Yeah. So it goes down.
Good old WD.
Nothing like busting a nut.
Don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, no, I'm doing it around.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Yeah, but it's backwards, isn't it?
Okay, so lefty-tighty, righty-loosey.
Oh, yeah! Were you filming that bust? Oh, that was a bust and a half. Oh, yeah, boy. Alright, get that ratchet in here. Pro tip, put a wrench there. I've done this before.
Done what? But I read about this on the internet.
Ooh, get that bust.
God.
Looks like a good nut bust.
Bad.
Wait, hang on. Can you imagine if like the wrench just fell off and I just stripped the living hell out of it?
We'll just get a new bolt.
That's my move though. See that f***ing huge impact we have?
The Kawasaki.
Oh hell yeah.
Is this big enough?
Oh, you gotta figure out how to plug it in.
I'll get an extension cord. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
How many whack-a-whackers do you think it's gonna take?
I think approximately 12 whacks.
Alright, I've already hammered that John there.
This seems like a good idea.
It's working! It's a good nut.
Stop. Alright, and then you just do the same for the other side, yeah? Or are there other ones?
Yeah, you gotta do the same for the other side, and then we're gonna do the brackets.
Alright, so we'll do the other side, and then...
Oh, pro tip, when you take stuff out, don't lose the bolts. Alright, so
where are we going, Adam?
I messed up. We took the end link bolts off, lost the nut, couldn't find it. So now the whole thing is held up by one nut, which is super annoying. And currently we are in Sam's 2001 NB Miata. It has some stuff done to it. But we'll do an overview. We'll do an overview in a different video. That's to the hardware store. Whoa! Slow down. Jump it! Oh my god!
Exceeding the speed limit.
With the local hardware.
Support local businesses, everybody.
It's just because they're close. Nah, Lowe's actually really sucks.
For like, yeah, for bolts and that. Yeah.
Yeah, don't bother with Lowe's. Or our local Lowe's at least. Let's see how a 6'2" man gets in a Miata.
Are you ready?
Human origami. Alright, so I got the nut and bolt needed. Well, just the nut, but not the wrong size, the bolt. The head back, throw that in, show you the finished product, and call it a day.
Wait, my scrape.
Low cost sketch driveway. Ooh, no scrape back. Oh, never mind, never mind. Alright, so when we ordered this, we were like, wow. Aftermarket sway is so small, it's not going to do anything. But then you put it next to the new one, it's like twice as thick. So I was kind
Oh, it's
of
red as well.
I was kind of disappointed. I was like, oh, it's not going to do anything. But there's good reviews, and the fact that it's twice as thick, and this is solid, supposedly, according to GodSpeed. It's solid and
GodSpeed.
good one.
And
That's what it says in the box. It says Godspeed.
oh, you know what it probably is, which I didn't install on the front. You put it under there, so like it distributes the weight better on the bolt, so you don't rip out the mounts. 'Cause you're supposed to put those on the front, and I didn't.
Okay, yeah, do that.
So what I'm gonna do is reverse what we just did. Like I'm squatting this whole video. What I'm gonna do is put it back in, and but this is also a good way of getting exhaust hangers off because they're kind of a pain, and metal just slips right on if you put WD on them.
Good
So
old,
that's actually a pro tip, not just me being stupid.
good old WD.
To stop like left and right sway.
Oh man, the skids are gonna be mental once this goes in.
How the f does that line up?
That's what I'm saying, we gotta line it up.
Like that.
Alright, so we just put the bolts back in when we took them out, and yeah, should be good.
Alright, so the sway bar's in. Just gotta pop the wheels on. But, as you can see, OEM location. I might get aftermarket end links, depending on how stiff I want it to be. And there we go, mounted up with the new bushings. Simple as that. So now what we're gonna do is jack up the car again. Pop the wheels on. Mission success.
We did it.
Oh, look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh.